Hi, to fix your speaker's problem, first thing that we are going to do, that's to open settings on our phone, and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named additional settings. Click on it to open and then find this tab which is named accessibility. Here is it. So click on it, and here at the upper part we can see a lot of tabs, for example general vision hearing. So here we would need to go to the hearing one and now scroll down until you'll get to this tab named audio. First thing that we are going to do, that's to enable mono audio, which merges the left and right channels. And then as a next step here we would need to balance our channel volume. So as you can see, currently it's exactly at the middle, so let's restart it and a few times move it to the right side, then to the left side, and now back to the middle, just like this. So we have restarted the volume balancing and set mono audio. And now last thing that we are going to do, which can help you a lot, this is your speaker cleaning. In websites or just in any search engine, you can just enter clean speaker, and after this you'll get a lot of sites which has special sounds and vibrating which will help to clean water and dust from your speaker. So here, for example, I have found this one, Fix My Speaker, which got both sound and vibrate. And by clicking on this button, your phone will start doing some kind of annoying sounds, but if you'll put your finger right near your speaker, you'll be able to feel a little wind which is blowing out the water and dust from your speaker, which can help you to get more clear sound and fix the issue. So after you'll try this site, your issue should be gone. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.